one woman, 88 garments in 10 days to save a reputation.
She thought she could handle the heat.
But when the thread breaks and the stress takes over, even she has a breaking point. Will she rise to the occasion, or will she finally crack?
I have 10 days to finish 88 pieces for Mountain View Dental. Why did I quote them 10 days? I basically set myself up. I just can't make any errors. It's really not bad at all. That is about 9 crewnecks a day, but these take about 30 minutes to stitch out. So not too bad with the timeline. But another detail I forgot to mention, the logo has 8 colors and I only have a 6 needle machine. Now, this is a rare occasion that somebody's logo has more than 6 colors. Generally, a logo has like 2 to 3 colors, the ones that I work with. So in this order, I'm constantly having to switch, like I'm just constantly walking back and forth to each machine, switching out the thread colors. And just like that, my mood changes. I'm not sure why this would do this, but I don't know if I can fully blame the machine. I'm tired, I'm trying to rush, and I'm making mistakes. So I need to turn everything off, just close the door and say goodnight. Good morning. I'm back. I cleaned the bobbin, took a breath, took a rest, hit start, and everything is coming together. So I found my rhythm again. How many of you have heard this comment before? Doesn't the machine do all the work? Yes, actually, and my stove cooks all the dinner. I just thought that was a good analogy and something that you guys can relate to. Clearly you can see I'm not like sitting down reading a book. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and keep watching. Thank you. In the middle of all of this chaos, I decided I needed a workbench. So I bought a tabletop from IKEA and 2 bookcases to make a workbench. So I'm going to do this real fast, and a disclaimer, if you don't like chaos, just skip ahead. Okay, that wasn't bad at all. A super simple workbench with a tabletop and some bookcases, and now I have another spot to like do my finishing of like cutting out the stabilizers, also hooping and prepping. A lot of you may not know that I have an embroidery list you can sign up for. Just go to shopsimplydelilah.com and you get to this screen right here, the embroidery supply list. Just scroll down and you can put in your email information and I will email you the entire list of supplies that I use every day. Okay, I just wanted to check in with you on this large order, and it's kind of stressful. I don't really know how to explain it. It is a large order. Actually, though, instead of saying it is stressful, I'm gonna switch that with exciting. So it's very exciting. One of the things, though, that I'm getting so tired of is like when I have a mess up, and I messed this one up because I didn't have the right thread color on it. So the mousse is his horns turned out to be white, and they should actually be this like off-white tan color, and it ended up like this. So now I have to completely scrap this one. I can't rehoop it. I can't go over it. There's nothing else that I can do. So I'm gonna have to do that one again, but I am nearing the end. So I'm just going to push through and get the rest of these done. Well, when I say I'm nearing the end, I think I have like 20 more to finish, and hopefully I can get those done today and then work on my other orders, because right now I'm like 4 weeks out. And to me, I feel like that is unacceptable. Like, who wants to wait 4 weeks for their embroidery order to be finished? But after I get this one done, I should be able to hurry and push out those other ones and get caught up really quick. At this point, I'm getting nervous. Every time my phone pings, my heart is like, oh, I'm like, are they going to cancel? Are they going to leave a bad review? And I feel like I'm letting down the small orders just to keep the big ones. And yes, I want the big orders, but I still want to provide service to those who helped me get to this point. So please tell me, am I overthinking this? Am I just paranoid? Guys, I did it. Can you believe I did it? I finished all of them, and this is not even half of them. 88 sweatshirts. Well, it was total 88 hoodies, sweatshirts, and the quarter zips, and I got it all done. And was it stressful? Yes, it was stressful, but it was exciting, and I'm grateful for the order. And if you are interested in starting an embroidery business, I have a whole playlist right here that you can click on, and it gives you all kinds of helpful tips on how to build your embroidery business. And I gotta go now. I gotta get going on my other orders now. But thank you so much for watching, and until next week, happy stitching. Bye, guys.